How does your body react to sunburn and swelling? The answer reveals a complex defense system triggered by your skin, fighting damage in surprising ways you never expected. Sunburn occurs because ultraviolet rays from the sun penetrate your skin and damage the DNA inside your skin cells. Your body senses this injury and signals blood vessels to expand, causing redness and warmth. This inflammation is your body's first alarm, alerting your immune system that damage has occurred and needs repair. When your skin is sunburned, blood vessels widen to allow immune cells to rush in and start repairs. This causes fluid to leak into surrounding tissues, leading to swelling. Swelling helps isolate the damage and prevent infection, but it also causes tightness and discomfort as your body fights back. Your immune system activates specialized white blood cells that remove damaged skin cells and promote healing. This process can cause itching and peeling as your body sheds injured layers and replaces them with new, healthy skin. It's a sign your body is working hard to restore balance after sun damage. If sunburn happens repeatedly, your skin suffers long-term effects. Chronic UV damage can accelerate aging, causing wrinkles and loss of elasticity. More seriously, DNA mutations from sunburn increase your risk of skin cancer. This makes protecting your skin from sunburn critical for lifelong health. Your body's reaction to sunburn and swelling is a powerful defense system working to repair damage and protect you. Understanding this helps you appreciate the importance of sun protection. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.